Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So what an amazing weekend. Bitcoin is consolidating and we see few altcoins are pumping and breaking out just like Link. So guys, get ready with the Link Marine because we are going to just sailing out. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds Global movement. I am bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi, AI, Web3 gems to keep you updated and educated. And also, I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. Let's see where are we now with this. Let's go and switch some gears. So our favorite bubble chart shows that Bitcoin is consolidating and traded just below 43,000 US dollar. Ethereum is at 2,300 US dollar. We see that few altcoins are correcting like Manta, Aptos, Jupiter, Sats, Hex, but they pumped really well in the past few days. And now we see Pith, the competitor on Solana of Link, and especially Link, Fleur, Pendle, Roan pumping here, and also Sui is doing well. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Green Index. Let's see, we are around 60, so this is a kind of greed zone, but nothing special. So actually the investor sentiment is bullish. Let's go and check out our first news, that Bitcoin faces sell the news event before 2024 BTC price all-time high. So it's guys, not just a sell the news event, but also we are pre-halving almost 70 days. And also we could see some pre-halving rally, pre-halving correction, and also post-halving correction. So Bitcoin bulls will need to navigate a fresh sell-off around the halving. Decent trader warns, arguing that BTC price action this time around will be no different than usual. Okay, test investors resolve before Q4 all-time high. Okay, so circa 75 days remain until the Bitcoin halving, with it due to occur around the 18th April. This is important if we make a simple assumption that there will be buying interest sometime before the halving. I would expect this to be no later than 6 weeks before the halving, or around the second week of March. Yeah, so guys, I think also that in February the Bitcoin price could go lower and it will correct lower, and in March, April we could see some pre-halving pump. So this would mean that Bitcoin has around 30 days from now to meander through its corrective phase before finding the FOMO demand anticipated. So FOMO demand. So guys, we are here in this corrective box and the price is correcting, and the FOMO window just before the halving, let's say 4 to 6 weeks before the halving, so pre-halving rally. In other words, anticipating among speculators could take BTC USD to its current 2-year highs of 49,000 US dollar before an ETF copycat sell-off ensures. Bitcoin has a tendency to front-run the news with the halving, so bear that in mind. Following the halving, Bitcoin has taken 240 days to break to new all-time highs. I'm expecting a similar outlook, with Bitcoin taking a trip to new all-time highs in mid to late Q4 of 2024, which give some time for a correction to test investors' nerves. So bull market comparison, so 2013, 2017, 2021. So you see the different bull markets on these charts and how the price went up, and actually when the price turned to the upside, let's say almost at 1000 day from the previous low, if I see it right. Yeah, from the previous low. Okay guys, so let's go and check out our next news. Bitcoin halving, no different this time. What has become apparent is that a lot of people are convincing themselves that Bitcoin is going to run to new all-time highs ahead of the halving because it's different this time. I personally expect it to be no different to previous instances. There is an uncannily accurate market cycle schematic for Bitcoin, born out of the emotions of investors into an asset class to which many are emotionally attached. It seems unwise to expect this to break favorably now, so they don't expect to break it up to the upside. So guys, let's go to Twitter. Definitely follow me on Twitter, create a Twitter account and follow at MIKLWestDankler, and also push this bell notification, or follow Corion platform and be sure you are following laserpunk_gats. So guys, Bitcoin still has significant growth potential. Let's check this from CryptoQuant, and this chart is showing us that the short-term hodlers are still at the lowest level. So okay, oh, so this is an article, so I cannot open this because this is an article. Okay, so you see this is the short-term hodlers waves, and this is a kind of realized dominance. So this is a realized Bitcoin dominance. Today the dominance or capital held by short-term hodler is at 35%. In the long-term perspective, Bitcoin still has significant growth potential. So guys, let's check if this we can open here. Yeah, so potential market tops have been observed when the capital held by short-term hodlers peaked at 70 to 80%, considering this concept. So now short-term hodlers holding is at 35%. So we are at the very early stage of this price movement. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. Next post here. Bitcoin BTC halving progress 94% to the halving. So 94% to the halving, so just the 6%. And you see in the last 6%, yes, we have some consolidation, as was this black swan event during the COVID dump, and also we have some pre-halving pump. So how will be this time? Let me know in the comment section, but good to see this chart. Next wave of bank failures in the US could come, according to Arthur Hayes. He says that Jeremy Powell and Bad Burl Yellen will be printing money very soon. NYCB announces a surprise loss driven by loan loss reserves rising 10x versus estimates. Guess the banks ain't fixed. 10 years and 2 years yields plunged, signaling the market expects some sort of renewed bankster bailout to fix the root. BTFP and discount window won't help, and CRR and multi-family RESI loans are not eligible collateral. Expect BTC to swan a bit, but if NYCB and a few others dump into the weekend, expect a new bailout right quick. The BTC off to the races just like March. So actually banking bailouts could come in the US because that was last year that the Fed made a special program for the banks, and that it will expire soon. And even if they will just extend it or do another kind of liquidity event, that it's useful for Bitcoin. Justin Tether now owns over 2.8 billion US dollar in Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Okay, this is the balance sheet: corporate bonds, precious metals, bitcoins, other investments, secured loans, and almost 97 billion assets under management. So guys, I like this chart about the Bitcoin cycles, so check this out. These are the different cycles, and bear, pre-bull, the accumulation, first bull phase, and the second bull phase. And guys, now just we are entering the first bull phase, and the second bull phase will be parabolic. Give a like and share. Okay, so Bitcoin's bull cycle, almost the same chart. Check this out. So Bitcoin bull, Bitcoin bull, Bitcoin bull, and now Bitcoin bull, maybe even not at the half of the progress. Bitcoin's long-term bull rally theory from TA Trader. So these are the cycles, and you see after 1 year of the peak, we see the bottom. So after peak of 1 year, we see the bottom, exactly how we did it before. And now we are here, just entered the 5th bull cycle. So Tether's 1.8 billion net profits, and Goldman Sachs employs 45,000 employees, 1.8 billion net income in Q4, 127 billion market cap. Tether employs 12 people, 2.8 billion net profits in Q4, and almost 100 billion US dollar is the market cap. So guys, and here is the Tether report: 2.8 billion in profits, sets new records in excess reserves of cash and cash equivalent backing token in circulation. Cool. Let's go and check out what do we have here. So a lot of people are asking a quick thread about rollups on Bitcoin, so definitely check out this if you want to learn more about rollups on Bitcoin, kind of second layer solutions. With just Solana, you can earn 5+ airdrops, but this is not our... Okay. Where is my post? Okay, let me open this. Yes, so Solana needs to 7x in value before being on par with Ethereum in terms of market cap. So guys, there is a huge room for Solana to pump from here if we want to that being a pair with Ethereum in terms of market cap. So 7x from here, and also Ethereum will grow. Don't be afraid. Just in, the BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF now hits $3 billion in assets under management, and is not in the top 10% of the all ETFs by assets. This took just 3 weeks, guys, just 3 weeks. So guys, okay, and also we talked about these corrections, that the average corrections are just going lower, almost 20%, and we already hit that last week, so that was a good buying opportunity. So guys, let's go and check out the Bitcoin price. As we see, Bitcoin is consolidating. I expecting that Bitcoin will not able to break 44,000 US dollar for now. It can dump back to this 38,000 US dollar levels, and maybe to 33,000 US dollar levels. But now 33,000, and there is also the 200-day moving average. So I expect a bounce around the 200-day moving average, which is around 35,000 that time. So we'll see if Bitcoin will consolidate here, but I expect February will be with some consolidation, and in March then we can go and make some pre-halving rally. When Bitcoin dips, altcoins will dip further, and then I will buy more. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye bye.